How to change your Gmail password if you forgot it. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Gmail password if you forgot it. First, go to your Gmail account. Now, go to your profile. Here, tap on Add another account. Now select Google to set up the email. Now enter your email address or phone number. Tap on Next to proceed further. After that, tap on Forgot Password as we don't remember our password. Enter the last password you remember, or tap on Try Another Way. Now you need to select the same number displaying on your screen from a device your account is already logged in. Now you can update your password if you forgot it. Tap on Continue. Now select I agree. And that's all. Your account has been recovered. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.